Ever wondered how Minecraft YouTubers create those crazy block contraptions and seemingly impossible structures? The secret weapon in their arsenal is the Debug Stick, a tool so powerful, it's usually hidden from players. First things first, make sure you're in a world where you have operator privileges. This means you'll need to be in creative mode or have cheats enabled. Press the / key to open the chat window. Now, this is the important part. You'll need to enter the give command. Type give at @minecraftbug_stick. The @ specifies that you want to give the debug stick to yourself. Hit enter, and just like that, the debug stick will appear in your inventory. It looks like a regular stick, but its power is anything but ordinary. Select the debug stick in your hotbar, and right-click on any block. This will cycle through the block's various states. Left-clicking will cycle through the different possible values for the selected state. You can change the direction a block faces, the amount of water it contains, whether a light is on or off, all sorts of things. Experiment with different blocks and states to discover the full potential of the debug stick. It's an incredible tool for builders and anyone who wants to understand the inner workings of Minecraft. So go forth, experiment, and unleash your creativity with the debug stick. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Minecraft tips and tricks.